Want your name displayed on iPhone's lock screen? This trick is perfect for you. First, swipe down from the top right corner to open the control center. Then tap on Focus Modes. Here, tap on the plus icon to create a new focus mode. Now choose Custom. Here, give the focus mode a name which will be visible on the lock screen, so you can give your own name. Once done, choose a color and icon. This icon will appear alongside your name when the focus mode is active. Tap on Next. If you choose Customize Focus, you can make additional customizations. Let's skip this step for this demo. Once again, open the control center by swiping down. Then tap on Focus. Select the focus mode you just created. If you go back, you'll notice the icon appearing at the top of your screen beside the time. Now lock your iPhone. Your name appears on the lock screen right at the bottom, along with the icon. And that's it.